Today, we're going to dive into a comprehensive tutorial on how to host a website on Google Firebase, a powerful and user-friendly platform for web hosting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find this guide valuable. Before we get started, let's make sure you have Google account, Node.js installed on your computer, and Firebase CLI. Open the Firebase console, console.firebase.google.com. You can find the link in the description. Click on Add Project to create new project. Type the project name as required. A unique project ID will be created for new project. You can change it by clicking on it. Click Continue. Here we can disable or enable the Google Analytics for new project. You can create new Google Analytics account or use existing one. For now, I am disabling the Google Analytics option for this project. Click on Create Project button. It will take few seconds while preparing resources for our newly created project. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Click on Continue button. You can find the resources in left menu which we can use in this projects. But for today's topic, we will just keep our focus on the hosting a website. Expand the build menu and click on hosting. Click on Get Started button. You will be asked to install Firebase CLI to move forward. You can install the Firebase CLI by using the mentioned command in command prompt. You can find this command in description. You can skip this step if it's already installed on your system. It's already installed on my system as well, so I am skipping this step and click Next button. Next step to run Firebase login command to log in using Google account. It will populate the browser to get the Google account details, and if you are already logged in, then your logged in email will be displayed below. Create a new folder anywhere in which our project files will be stored after initialization. Open command prompt by typing cmd in address bar of the folder. Type Firebase login command to sign in to Google account. My email is displayed here because I am already signed in. It might be same as yours, or a browser will be open to as Google account details. Now run the initialize command to initialize the project. Type yes and press enter to proceed. Use the down key from the keyboard and use spacebar to select the option displayed on the screen. In next option, you will be asked for public directory. Keep public or change it if you want. Select yes or no as per your requirement for single page app. Type N and press enter for option set up automatic builds and deploys with GitHub. Now our project is initialized. Open the folder and check the files. Public folder is the main folder in which our web pages will be placed for deployment. When we create a new project in Firebase, a domain will be automatically attached with our project to test. We can add custom domains with our project as well. All the steps to initialize our project are done. Click on Continue to the console button. Click or browse the domain to check the project. Currently there is nothing deployed, that's why this page is displaying. Let's deploy the web pages. Type the command Firebase deploy to deploy all the content which is available in public folder. It will take time according to the deploying contents. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Deployment is done. Now refresh the page to verify. Here you go. You have successfully created a new project and deployed a web page as well. Now let's make some changes in same page and redeploy it to check. You can use any editor to edit the HTML page. I am using Notepad. I am adding updated in top heading. Save and deploy it again using same command. If you are stuck somewhere or unable to follow my steps, please post your problem in the comments section. I will be happy to answer your questions. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Deployment is done. Now let's refresh the page to check the changes. Here you go. Now you can place your contents in the public folder and deploy using same commands. And your website will be published. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought, or feedback, please share them in the comments section.